आज हम इस टॉपिक पे बात करेंगे जो बहुत कॉमन है बट अनकॉमन इन एवरीवन्स लाइफ एंड डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड इवन मोर डिफिकल्ट टू इम्प्लीमेंट इन आवर लाइफ्स, वो है वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस। I would like to share some insights. I have done my engineering and a degree with the title of Corona batch. But people know कि हमें अच्छे मार्क्स तो आ गए हैं, बट जिस चीज के लिए वो मार्क्स थे वो तो मिला ही नहीं, जॉब। ये पैंडेमिक के वक्त डिग्री खत्म हुआ मई 2021 और उसके बाद हमें छोड़ दिया गया इस दुनिया में जॉब ढूंढने, जब सबके जॉब निकल रहे थे। मार्केट इतना वोलेटाइल था, घर पे इनकम का सोर्स के लिए जो बच्चे को पढ़ाया था वो बच्चा डिग्री के बाद को कोई जॉब देने को तैयार नहीं, और इस वक्त ना वर्क था और ना लाइफ। वंस माय फ्रेंड केम टू मी एंड आस्क्ड, भाई हाउ मेनी आवर्स डू यू हैव इन अ डे? आई वाज कंफ्यूज्ड। देन ही सेड, you go for work, you also do exercise and yoga, and at weekends you go for treks and social gatherings, and you also play football at night, and still your day never ends. How do you do all that? Then I thought I was little more productive than the people around me, and it was some simple things which I am going to discuss with you. First, there is not perfect balance we all think about. Work-life balance is a myth. I have seen so many people working for 24/7 and they are still happy in their life. And people working for 8 hours are equally happy in their lives as well. My view on this is that you are not going to get work-life balance if the person you are at work is different from you are in a real life. It isn't natural. It isn't easy. So, the best way to get work-life balance is where you can find that work that doesn't force you to become someone else other than who you are in real life. Make monthly targets for the bigger picture. Then weekly track रखो, but ये नहीं किया तो भी चलेगा, पर रात को सोने से पहले कल के दिन का टू डू लिस्ट रेडी करके सोना। सीक्वेंस कोई भी हो, सब बोलते हैं कि do the hardest thing at the first, and yes, it works. But see what works for you when you are productive at the maximum. Second, prioritize your health. Do any physical activity, not particularly gym. Go for a walk, dance, swim, or play any sports, but do some activity, because when workload comes, health को हम सबसे least prioritize करते हैं. Third, please take time for your parents. I know, by God's grace, most of them must be living with their parents, but we are so busy growing up that we forgot they are growing old. No matter how busy you are in your day or how exhausted you are, sit with them, talk with them. I personally love doing gossip about my relatives with them. Fourth, unplug from the external negativity. I don't want to say, but yes, we are somehow from a frustrated generation. We are growing in an era where negativity comes towards us, and when there is a deep fall come to in our lives, तुम्हारे साथ खड़े रहने वाला तुम खुद रहोगे। जब ऐसा टाइम आएगा तो उसे टाइम दो, बिकॉज टाइम हील्स एवरीथिंग। टेक अ ब्रेक, रिवाइव योर हार्ट, रिवाइव योर सोल एंड कम बैक टू दिस वर्ल्ड, एंड योर कम बैक मस्ट बी स्ट्रॉन्गर देन बिफोर। फिफ्थ, टेक वेकेशन. We take it as a fun thing, but trust me, they are needed. हम पूरा साल काम पे जाते हैं, you are mentally exhausted, you are physically exhausted. Go to your native place, go to some underrated place जहाँ जाके chill कर सकते हो, and of course, your productivity definitely increases. Sixth, set boundaries. When you are at office, your mind should be at work, but when you are at home, you should be fully present at home, not just physically, but mentally as well. Seventh, ask for help. Don't think they will come to you and help you. No. If you need it, ask for it. And I'm sure they will give you more than you asked for. Ask from your colleagues, from your friends, from your siblings. And one message to all the boys watching this. In this generation, you will definitely have a working wife. And if she is working lady, please be a supportive guy. Be the person she can share her burden, because as you expect her to be a wife after being a manager, you have to be a good husband as well. If both create a balance, then the house created will be balanced.